Okay, so meron tayo dito Nintendo Switch OLED na ayaw mag-boot. So, check up natin kung ano ang kanyang problem. Okay, so ito ay dinala ng ating customer today, modded by a different service provider. So yan, stuck sa training pa din. So I think this is an HWFly GDF32 chip because of the purple color. So training pa rin siya. So open na natin. Training pa rin siya. So wait natin yung fail code, kasi it's either nag-crash yung chip. Uy, we have a red. I think that's a red color. Yep, nag-load sa Horizon OS or sa main menu ng Switch. Then we had red light. So that could mean disconnected .0. So we're gonna check. Okay. So we're inside and inspection. Hindi nakakabit yung antenna sa latches. Okay, we're inside. So evidently yung modder nito ay hindi niya nilagyan ng bagong thermal paste. So please lang, kapag gagawa kayo, make sure na palitan or i-refresh nyo yung thermal paste. Okay, so let's do our due diligence. Okay, so itong wire na to is also medyo makapal siya. Makapal talaga siya actually. Dapat ito 36 or 35 gauge dapat. Okay, so makapal yan. Okay, so let's continue the tear down. Okay, so checking the back side now. So nakakabit naman yung anchors niya and nakasecure ng RTV. So this is totally fine. So even I myself use this RTV. So that's okay. So yun nga lang, yung kanyang .0 adapter is not the good kind. Kaya nadi-disconnect siya. Okay, so we're gonna pull it out and see what kung ano yung nakadulo niya. Okay, so after further testing, nagtitrigger talaga yung RCM mode. So it tells us na may problem talaga dun sa eMMC connection. So kailangan natin ayusin yan with the reball. So dadamayin natin yung permanent .0 dito. Okay, so habang nandito tayo, inayos na rin natin yung mga soldering na dati na nandito. Yung mga cold solder, yung mga hindi shiny at naka-rounded edges or connection. So lahat yan, tinatch up natin para mas magandang performance and mas durable ang installation natin.